Is it started?
Yes.
Hi. So, it's, okay. I said hi.
Okay, I heard you.
Hi,
Say
my name's...
hi.
Hello, my name's Joshua. We're doing this test. Why'd you not even tell us that we had to make a video? We didn't even know that. Why'd you forget?
Be quiet. Okay, so you are going to tell me the sound that each letter makes as I touch it. Okay, you ready?
Mm. B. O. Yeah. G. S. A. Qua. I. Wa. D. Z. Wait.
Good.
O. J.
Very good.
I knew what
Okay.
to J.
Now you're going to tell me what each letter's name is. You understand that? Okay, so
P. V. F. T. K. B. C. O. U. H. Y. M. G. S. X. A. Q. I. W. D. N. Z. R. E. L. J.
very good. Okay, and then for this, you're going to tell me the letter's name instead of its sound this time, okay?
I already did its name.
Well, we're going to do the lowercase ones now, okay?
Q. V. F. T. K. B. C. O. U. H. V.
Okay,
M. G. S. X. A. Q. I. W.
good.
D. N. Z. R. E.
Hold on, Ralph. Okay,
L. J.
very good. Okay,
I knew I would get the L. J. right.
you did.
And that I.
Okay. All right, you're finished. Thanks.
What? I thought we're doing the sentence here. Okay, now I'm gonna add another video to it.
No, we're not.
I'm
We
adding.
don't need to video the other.
So, concerned. That's